This is my new 3D printer. It's being returned. This is the best thing it's made. Yeah. That's not good. It doesn't work. So what the heck am I going to do about it? Well, it's being returned. And I guess the question is, what on earth do I do with the money? That is the question. So I have three options for you. Do I either A, return it and then buy a new one and hope that one works? B, do I return it and then put the money into savings for a different 3D printer, probably a resin 3D printer, but they're expensive and the stuff to make them is expensive. So they're expensive and I don't have a job, so that's probably not going to be the answer. Or do I C, return it, put it into savings, or for something else? I don't know what that something else would be. That's why I would leave it up to you. The answer is C. I'm going to return it and then leave the answer of what I should buy up to you. This was about $200, so that's how much money I'm getting out of it. So put your answer in the comment as to what I should do with it. Also, look at this cool armor I made. Isn't it cool? Isn't it pretty? It's made out of cardboard, like